In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Stock's order before it ships 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what each status means, and how to act quickly to improve your odds. Cancellations on Stockx are time sensitive and depend on the order's progress. Your goal is to check the current status and use the in-app option if it appears, or reach support immediately if it doesn't. Here's how to do that smoothly. Start by opening the Stockx app or website and navigating to Buying, then Orders. Find the purchase you want to cancel. Now read the status carefully. If it shows pending or awaiting shipment, you may still have a window to stop it. That means the seller hasn't shipped to Stockx yet, so the platform can sometimes intercept the transaction. If you see shipped, authenticating, or in transit, that usually indicates the item is already on the way to or through Stockx's verification process. At that stage, cancellations are typically not possible because the marketplace is already moving the item through its secure pipeline. Checking this first saves time and sets realistic expectations. If you do see a cancel order button next to your purchase, click or tap it right away and confirm. You should receive an on-screen acknowledgement and, when eligible, a cancellation confirmation via email. Refunds are issued back to your original payment method once the cancellation is fully processed. If there's no cancel button, it often means the seller has accepted the sale and is preparing shipment, so you'll need to move to support quickly. When you can't cancel from your account page, head to the help or support section in the app or visit help.stockx.com. Choose contact support or live chat. Be ready to share your order number, the date of purchase, and a short, clear reason for the request. Ask for cancellation before the seller ships. Acting promptly and explaining your situation clearly can increase your chances, but remember, approval isn't guaranteed once shipping is underway. If your cancellation is approved, expect a refund to the original payment method. Processing times vary by bank or provider, so give it a little time and watch for confirmation emails. Keep an eye on your account for the final reversal. That's the full process. Verify the status, cancel directly if the option appears, and contact support immediately if it doesn't. Move fast, stay clear and concise, and you'll give yourself the best chance to stop the order before it ships.